Hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. So guys, today I am going to teach you how to prepare adjusted trial balance in Excel spreadsheet. You can see right side of the sheet that is here. Then actually this is the 8th video of our series and 8th video of our accounting cycle. We are already prepared the 6th and 7th step of accounting cycle in the previous video, that is this one, this 2 1. Okay, so today I will focus on this step only. Okay, actually I have already made the video on 10 column worksheet, which is more or less similar to this step, so you can check it out. I have put the link in the description box below. It is our accounting cycle series video, so I'm going to prepare here. Okay, so guys, without spending more time, let's get started. So we have to go to our trial balance section, which is in our ledger. So I'm going to click here. All right, now we can see we have already completed adjustment entry, that is this one. Okay, and now it's time to prepare adjusted trial balance. Okay, so now let's modify this table a little bit by creating a debit and credit column for our next trial balance, that is adjusted trial balance. So I'm going to click here and again click here and select from here to here. Now press Ctrl C to copy it. Now click here, press Ctrl V to paste it. All right, now click here and now let's make this column a little bit bigger. All right, similarly click here. All right, now click here. All right, now click here and select from here to here and go to the alignment section of the home tab and click on merge and center. All right, now write the name adjusted trial balance. Now press the enter key. Now click here and press Ctrl B to bold it. All right, now to get the actual adjusted debit and credit amount, let's make formula for both column one by one. Okay, so for debit, click here and press the equal to sign, write the if function, double click on this function and now click here, minus, click here, plus, click here, minus, click here. Now press the close parenthesis. That means if this is greater than 0, then what will happen? Now press the open parenthesis. Now click here, minus, click here, plus, click here, minus, click here. Now press the close parenthesis. That means if this is greater than 0, then what will happen? This one, otherwise 0. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. All right, similarly for credit areas, so click here and now press the equal to sign, write the if function, double click on this function and now press the open parenthesis and now let's follow this argument. So if this minus this plus this minus this, now close parenthesis, if this, that means if this is less than 0, then what will happen? Minus, press the open parenthesis, this minus this plus this minus this. Now press the close parenthesis. That means if this is less than 0, then what will happen? This one, otherwise 0. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. All right, now click here and select from here to here and drag from here to here. All right, now go to the number section of the home tab and click on comma style. All right, now click here and select from here to here. Now press alt plus equal to sign to get the total amount of debit and credit column. So I'm going to press Alt plus equal to button from my keyboard. Alright, now press Ctrl B to bold it. Now go to the font section of the home tab and click on button down arrow. Okay, and click on top and thick bottom border. Alright, now click here. Alright, we can see our adjusted trial balance is completed and their debit and credit column both are equal. That means our adjusted trial balance is absolutely right. Okay, now you can see our unadjusted and adjustment both balances are adjusted, which is showing in the adjusted trial balance. You can see by subtracting and adding. Okay, we can see our the initial value of equipment was 80,000 and that their depreciation was 1333.33 and their actual value is now 78,666.67. We can see that means our value of equipment is adjusted. Okay, similarly we can see our all remaining adjustments are adjusted. Alright, so guys, we are successfully prepared. Now we have to make the financial statement. Okay, that is a financial statement. It includes income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. Income statement is also known as trading and profit and loss account. Okay, so guys, we will prepare it in the next video tutorial. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, please ask me in the comment box below or via my mentioned email address in the description box below. Thank you so much.